to people to understand their needs. Thank you for the school, Kamala. Our children have a future now. Yes, continue to have changed our life. I am happy to help in my step one for a better future. Scene 6. Kamaraj is remembered as a great leader who loved education and helped many people. Education will make our country strong. Let us work together for a better future. Kamaraj's life inspires us all. His work still rises today. Thank you. Wow, that was a wonderful performance. Now I call all our sisters to sit on that desk. May I call our Reverend Sister Eda Mary to light the candles and light the flowers on Kamaraja photo as a mark for respect and Tamil Kavidai on Kamaraja. அனைவருக்கும் காலை வணக்கம். இன்று நான் நகரத்திலேய காமராஜர் அவர்களை பற்றி பாடுகிறேன். அன்னையில் அருளை பெற்றவரே, ஆடை எளிமை கொண்டவரே, இயற்கை இன்பம் கண்டவரே, ஈகள் அருளை தெரிந்தவரே, உண்மை வழியில் நின்றவரே, ஊக்கத்தில் உறுதி கொண்டவரே, எளிமை உருவாய் வாழ்ந்தவரே, ஏழை துயரை தொடைத்தவரே, அன்பு என்பை காத்தவரே, ஒற்றுமை சிறப்பை சொன்னவரே, ஓதலின் அவசியம் அறிந்தவரே, அவ்வை நடத்தை கற்றவரே. நன்றி. On the stage, our little star to give an amazing drama. நாடகத்தின் தலைப்பு கர்ண வீரர் காமராஜர். பங்கேற்பவர்கள் சிறுவர்கள் காமராஜர் அதிகாரி. காட்சி 1. சிறுவர்கள் ஆடு மேய்த்துக் கொண்டிருந்தனர். அப்பொழுது அவர்கள் அருகே ஒரு கார் வந்து நின்றது. அதில் இருந்து காமராஜர் இறங்கி வந்தார். இன்னைக்கு என்ன பள்ளி விடுமுறையா? இல்ல ஐயா, எங்க ஊர்ல பள்ளிக்கூடமே இல்ல ஐயா. உங்க ஊரில் பள்ளிக்கூடமே இல்லையா? சரி, உங்க ஊரில் பள்ளிக்கூடம் தரங்க ஏற்பாடு செய்கிறேன். போய் நன்றாக படித்தீங்களா? நன்றாக படிக்கிறோம் ஐயா. பங்கேற்பவர்கள் காமராஜர் மாணவர்கள் அதிகாரி. காட்சி 2. பள்ளி நிகழ்ச்சி 1. காமராஜர் கலந்து கொள்கிறார். மாணவர்களே, நீங்கள் நீண்ட தூரம் நடந்து பள்ளிக்கு வர முடியாது என்பதால் 1 மைல் தூரத்துக்கு ஆரம்ப பள்ளியோ, 3 மைல் தூரத்துக்கு நடுநிலை பள்ளியோ, 5 மைல் தூரத்துக்கு உயர்ந்த பள்ளியோ இருக்க திட்டமிட்டுள்ளேன். ஏன் மணிக்கு இருந்தால் காலையை சாப்பிடவில்லையா? காமராஜர் அவர்கள் தேசிய கொடியை ஏற்றுவார். கொடி வணக்கம். ஏன் மணிக்கு விழுந்தால் காலையை சாப்பிடவில்லையா? இல்லையா. ஏன் சாப்பிடவில்லை? நாங்க வீட்டுல சாப்பாடே இல்லையா. ஐயோ, மாணவர்கள் சாப்பிடாமல் எப்படி படித்து செலுத்த முடியும்? இதுவே மாணவர்கள் பெண்கள் பள்ளிக்கு நீண்டதும் நடக்கக்கூடாது என்று நினைத்தவர் யார் தெரியுமா? பள்ளியில் ஒரு மேல் எவ்வளவு பழகி வேண்டும் என்று நினைத்தவர் யார் தெரியுமா? தந்தை பெரியாரால் பாராட்டப்பட்ட மறைந்த முதல்வர் காமராஜர் ஆவார். காமராஜர் பிறந்த நாள் நல்வாழ்த்துக்கள். நன்றி. Thank you so much, friends, for your amazing message. Now let's call our friends to share some inspiring quotes about our Kamarajar. A child is handicapped, accumulate wealth, don't accumulate wealth and handicap your child. It's our difficulty, to that words Kamarajar and one who uses the tools of punctuality is always a hero. Kamarajar, thank you. If you have money is the reason for being respected by others. I don't want that shameful respect, Kamarajar. Expansion of Kamarajar. King of Tamil Nadu. Then for active, Kamaraj was active in his political young politician. He is a man of the order. Yes, stand for ability. He had an ability to eradicate the poverty of Tamil Nadu. As for responsibility, he took complete responsibility of education. Therefore, he admired everyone with his powerfulness. Therefore, justified this political theater with leadership. Therefore, actively adapted in all situations. Therefore, he is always right in all his actions. அற்புதத்தின் இயற்பை காத்தவரே, ஒற்றுமை சிறப்பை சொன்னவரே, ஓதலில் அவசியம் அறிந்தவரே, ஆப்பைகளை கண்டவரே, நன்றி. Friends, good morning to all present here. Now is the time for Spoken English Introduce program. As we all are gathered here and celebrating the birthday of our kingmaker Kamarada, who taught us and gave the real value of education. On this beautiful day, let us learn the real value of English language. Now I call the stage participant to give their speech on importance of English language. Let us give the big round of applause and call him. Good morning to all. My name is Dev Parthiban. I am studying 5th standard C section. Today I am going to tell about speech on importance of English language. English is an international language. It serves as the universal language of communication, the bridging gap between people from different linguistic backgrounds. As we have known, in India there are 60 to 70% people are educated. In present days there are many degree holders and master degree holders, but still now they are jobless. Why? Because there is lack of English. This is one of the biggest problem in India. So now due to the spread of English communication, everyone is able to get good job and happy in life. So my dear friends, as education is an important part of our life, same like that English language also should be a life partner of our life, of our education, of our life. Thank you. Thank you, dear friend, for your wonderful and amazing speech about English, importance of English language. Let me call P. Lokesh for you another speech about importance of English language. Correspondence sister, principal sister, and all the lovely teachers, and you all my friends. Marvelous morning to all. Language is a pillar for the activity. English language is the strongest pillar for unity. I am P. Lokesh, studying in 5th standard. Now I am going to tell about the importance of English language. My dear friends, as I am studying in STEM Metric School, I can see that different types of children, parents coming from different states, having different culture and religion, but still they are able to live together and understanding each other. They also communicate each other, creating healthy relationship among themselves. Do you think it is easy to happen without English language? No, it is not at all possible without English language. Since we are the communicative language English, everything being easy and possible for us. So my dear friends, please give more preference to the English language and especially communicative language English, so that the impossible can be possible and the unthinkable can be thinkable. I finally say, East or West, English is the best. Tamil is my art. English is my life. Thank you. Thank you, dear friend, for your valuable speech about the importance of English language. Let's become spoken sir to give a scoreboard in application.
Respected correspondent sister, principal sister, and all the sisters, and you all the teachers, and you all my dear students. A marvelous morning to all. Why did I say marvelous morning? Because today is very good. And the first letter starting with? The first letter starting with? M. That's how we say marvelous morning. Very good. So, as we are celebrating the birthday of our dear kingmaker, yeah, you all know very well. I didn't want to say about him. And at the same time, we are having the spoken English opening ceremony. What we are having? Spoken English opening ceremony. This is just trial for the school, and we have a bigger problem later. Actually, I did not know that we are going to celebrate it grandly. Anyhow, we have got two speeches from this part, and now I am going to introduce what is scoreboard. Do you know what is scoreboard? Any of you please raise your hands and tell something about scoreboard, what it is actually. Scoreboard. Any of you can say about the scoreboard. Oh, is it new for you all? Yes or no? Okay, may I ask the teachers what is scoreboard actually? Can any one of you explain what is scoreboard? Just explain briefly. Scoreboard is this, and this is the work of scoreboard. That's enough. Any one of the teachers? Please come forward. No hesitation.
My dear children, it is nothing but they will check whether you are speaking in English or not. Accordingly, they will give stars and scars. Which group is scoring more and which they will award. They will award you with some special prizes, and there will be the badges for the star speaker of the week or month likewise. So that group, they will calculate whole year, and finally they will celebrate it as an ending ceremony. At that time they will give you some shield. Okay, that is the meaning of scoreboard. And also we want to improvise our language of English in our school, so that they are encouraging by giving this star and scar. Discouraging it will not be given, because I know that you all will speak English very well. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much, teacher. Our teacher explained very briefly what is scoreboard, and now I am going to elaborate. I will explain very clearly. Scoreboard actually is the record book of our English language. What is scoreboard? It is a record book of our English language. Yeah. So, in the record book, as we say, scoreboard, there we have different small boxes. Okay, that is denoted for dates. Every day we are going to check all the students, and we will check your language, whether you are talking in English language or you are talking in Hindi, Tamil, any other language. We are going to check to all the students, and finally in the end of the day we are going to give you star or scar according to your performance. According to your performance. If you talk in English for the full day, we are going to give you. Tell me clearly. Yeah, very good. If you talk in English for the full day, we are going to give you star. And if you talk in Tamil or any other languages, we are going to give you egg. Somebody is asking egg. No, we cannot spend 5 to 7 rupees for those who are talking in Tamil. It's not possible for us. We can give you scar marks. Scar, you know, it's like a remark point. This student is speaking in Tamil. Okay, fine. he is on the correct one, I took it different way. So, those who are talking in Tamil, we are going to give egg. Not eating egg, zero. Okay, we are going to give you what? Zero. So, keep it in mind and try to speak only English. Very good. And I got complaints. Okay, I have been here for 1 week and I am here to support you to talk in English. But some of you are talking in other languages, so please be strict. All of you, I am talking to all of you, okay? No one is special here, okay? Everyone should follow the rules and regulations. Once we enter into the school campus, we should forget our mother tongue. If your mother tongue is English, then that is okay. Otherwise, you have to forget your mother tongue, and you have to speak only. Very good. All of you are able to understand. So I need not to take much time. You also don't have much time. We will go for classes then. So finally I said, please do cooperate and speak only in English. Once you enter in the school campus, again I am telling, forget your mother tongue and speak only English. Thank you so much.
May I call our Reverend Sister Haida Didi to share a few words.
Good morning to everybody. Marvelous Monday. Wish you all a marvelous Monday. Say, wish you the same sister. Okay, thank you. So are you all happy today? So whose birthday we celebrate today? Okay, let me check with you, okay? Let me check with you, okay? That one who is in non-uniform, yeah. Get up, that boy, get up. I just want to him. But anyway, you also tell me the year of his birth. You get up. You get up. Tell me the year of Kamran's birth. Here, very good, very confident. Okay, let me check it. Ma'am, and the video will go for you. Don't that. No, please. What is we must give clap to third A, B, C teachers and students for the full details about Kamaraj. Give them a great round of applause. Yes. Yes. So congratulations to teachers and the students who have performed. Very happy. Since we have heard all the details and actually we say 121,000. What is his age now? 121. He was born in the year 1903. Okay? Right? So 121. Okay. Now I am going to sing just 2 lines. Okay? Sing with me, all of you. Okay? Yaran want to dance, you can also dance, no problem. Whoever is interested, just 3 or 4, 2 boys and 2 girls. Come dance for those 2 lines. Yes. 2 girls. Come on, get up. Boys, 2 boys. Anybody? 2 of you come to dance. Yes, come. I will teach you. That's only 2 lines. Okay, come. Very shortly we will come. Very good. Don't stand there. Yes. wrote off. Kalvi Tanda Dharma Veera Kamarajare. Okay, that is the line. Kalvi Tanda Dharma Veera Kamarajare. Come on, say. Kalvi Tanda Dharma Veera Kamarajare. Come on, say once again. Kalvi Tanda Dharma Veera Kamarajare. Karupu Gandhiyaga வாழ்ந்த காமராஜர். Say. கருப்பு காந்தியாக வாழ்ந்த காமராஜர். சொல்லுங்க எல்லாரும். கருப்பு காந்தியாக வாழ்ந்த காமராஜர். What was the first line? கல்வி கண்ட கர்மவீர காமராஜர். கருப்பு காந்தியாக வாழ்ந்த காமராஜர். ஓகே, கல்வி தந்த கர்மவீர காமராஜர். கருப்பு காந்தியாக வாழ்ந்த காமராஜர். Come on, dance. Okay, ready? Get ready with the steps. Okay. Kalvi Tanda Kammarveera Kamarajare. Okay. Okay. Kalvi Tanda Kammarveera Kamarajare. Krupu Gandhiyaga வாழ்ந்த காமராஜர். Okay. Tanna நான் பாடறேன் step no. Tanna நானே tanna டீச்சர் வாங்க. டான்ஸ். Okay. கல்வி தந்த கர்மவீர காமராஜர். கருப்பு காந்தியாக வாழ்ந்த காமராஜர். கல்வி தந்த கர்மவீர காமராஜர். கருப்பு காந்தியாக வாழ்ந்த காமராஜர். தன்னானே நானே தன்னானே நானே தன்னானே நானே தன்னானே நானே கருப்பு தந்த கர்மவீர காமராஜர். கருப்பு காந்தியாக வாழ்ந்த காமராஜர். தன்னானே நானே தன்னானே. Very good. Because you must always remember this great person. I love you so much. Okay? So I really thank God first. And God who inspired our correspondent and teacher to give me this chance of being a chief guest of this day. Okay, I'm so happy. Thank you. And now I'm going to share with you an event which happened in the life of Kamaraj. What am I going to share with you? Kamaraj. An event, incident that happened in the life of Kamaraj. What is that? Incident means what? Incident, event means what? Incident event என்னமா? நான் தமிழ்லயே பேசிட்டேனா? தமிழ்ல பேசினா இங்கிலீஷ்ல பேசுறதா? Okay, because your scoreboard is ready, you have to speak only English. You have to listen only to English. You have to speak only English. You have to sleep English also. You have to eat English. Isn't it? Is it not? Yes. Okay. Just listen to this incident, okay? You know, he had basic education, which means he has gone to the school. Hope of you know, isn't it? So he went to the elementary school. One day, when he was on the way, he was looking at a friend walking so sadly on the rocky road and the hot road, barefoot. That friend was walking barefoot on the hot and the rough road. Did you understand? Barefoot means what? Barefoot means what? What do you mean by barefoot? Walking barefoot? செருப்பு போடாம அவரு நடந்துட்டு இருந்தார். யாரு? அவரோட ஃப்ரெண்ட். ஓகே, யார் நடந்துட்டு இருந்தா? ஓகே, இதெல்லாம் கேட்கணும் தெரியுமா? எனக்கு என்ன தெரியுமா, நான் சொல்ற மெசேஜ் வந்து உன் காதுல எட்டணும். அதுக்காக நான் தமிழ் இங்கிலீஷ் கலந்து பேசிட்டா ஓகேமா? தமிழ் தமிழ் யாராவது புரியாதுன்றவங்க மட்டும் யாரும் ஒருத்தர் 2 பேர் தான் புரியாத சித்தாக்கி உனக்கு நீங்க ஆமா உங்களுக்கு எல்லாம் தமிழ் தெரியும் சும்மா தெரிஞ்சாங்க. ஓகே, யாரும் ஒருத்தர் 2 பேர் தான் புரியாது. ஓகே, I just want you to get in your mind imprinted about this incident. Okay, காமராஜர் வந்து அவங்க ஃப்ரெண்ட் வந்து கால்ல செப்பல் இல்லாம நடக்கிறத பார்த்துருக்காரு. செப்பல் இல்லைன்னா நடக்கும்போது எப்படி இருக்கும்? அந்த ரஃப் ரோட்ல சூடான ரோட்ல காது சூடாகிடும். அவர் ரொம்ப கஷ்டப்பட்டு நடக்கும். ஓகே, இதை பார்த்துட்டு காமராஜர் என்ன பண்ணாரு? ஐயோ, நம்ம குடும்பத்துல ரொம்ப ஏழை வேற, நம்ம பணம் வேற, என்ன பண்ணலாம் அப்படின்னு. ஓகே, நீங்களா என்ன செய்வாங்க? உங்களோட ஸ்வீட்ஸ், உங்களோட ஸ்நாக்ஸ், when your parents give you pocket money, what do you do with that? Just tell me, what do you do with your pocket money? Share with whom? Share with your school students. Have you ever shared with your school students your pocket money? In what way did you share? Come on, very good. I appreciate you. But in what way did you share your pocket money with the school students? I mean, school students means your classmates? No, classmates. எப்படி ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க? ஷேர் பண்ணிடலாம். எப்படி ஷேர் ஸ்நாக்ஸ் யார் கொண்டு வந்தையோ அவங்க கொடுப்பீங்களா? ஓகே, ரைட். ஓகே, ஸோ காமராஜர் என்ன பண்ணாரு? அவங்க வந்து செருப்பு பேரு பார்த்தத உடனே அவருடைய ஸ்நாக்ஸ் ஸ்வீட்ஸ்க்கெல்லாம் பணம் கொடுப்பாங்க பேரண்ட்ஸு. கொஞ்சம் கொஞ்சம் வாங்கி ரொம்ப ஏழை ஃபேமிலி. அப்பெல்லாம் 1 பைசா தான் கொடுத்துருப்பாங்க பாக்கெட் பண்ணிங்கன்னா. அந்த காலத்துலலாம் 1 பைசா தான் இருந்துச்சு, உங்களுக்கு தெரியாது சரியா? ஸோ 4 பைசா 1/2 பைசா கூட இருந்திருக்கும் சரிங்களா? அப்படி 10 பைசா 1/2 பைசா கொடுக்குறத அவர் saved the pocket money and bought a shoe for that friend. Okay, ஆனா அதை வாங்கிட்டு நம்ம என்ன பண்ணுவோம்? எல்லாருக்கும் தெரியுமா மேம், அவருக்கு செருப்பே இல்லை நான் கொடுக்குறேன் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு கொடுப்போங்க. ஆனா காமராஜர் did not tell anybody that he bought a shoe for his friend. Understand? அந்த பையன், அந்த friend வந்து when he was not looking, அவர் பார்க்காம இருந்த போது அவர் என்ன பண்ணார் தெரியுமா? காமராஜர் அவன் அவனோட இடத்துல அவன் எப்படி வச்சா எடுத்துக்குவான் அப்படின்றது மாதிரி அந்த இடத்துல கொண்டு போய் அந்த ஷூ வச்சார். நெக்ஸ்ட் டே அந்த பையன் he was coming with his new shoes. Next day he came with a new shoes. Now I am going to ask you questions, then only you will know, okay, whether you have listened or not. Okay, then they came with a new shoes with a broad smile. Looking at the happiness of this little kid, Kamaraj also. He was also a kid, isn't it? Kamaraj was very, very happy to look at his happiness. Okay? So nobody knew that. Okay? So Kamaraj was very, very loving and kind towards those who were in need. Okay? Tell me, Kamaraj was very loving and kind. Come on, all of you say, Kamaraj was very kind and loving. Kamaraj was very kind and loving. Okay, right. So we also are invited to be kind-hearted persons, very compassionate, very loving. Okay, and we always think of others. Do you think of others? Hello. Hi. Hello. அதுக்கு மட்டும்தான் ஒரு சத்தம். நல்ல விஷயத்தை எல்லாம் சொல்லி கொண்டாடிட்டு you don't want to listen. When they can't teach you something very important, you people don't want to listen. And even in the class also you see disinterested. Kindly take care. Okay, right? So Kamaraj was very kind and loving. We also need to be very kind and loving. He always thought of others. He cared for others. Okay, that's why he was still then a very kind person, even when he became a great leader. You know, the second thing now I'm going to ask Mr. Jansi to share, and Mrs. Dhanalakshmi also will share just 1 or 2 minutes. Just listen. The second thing is, listen pannuங்க. Samraj வந்து ரொம்ப hard work. He was very hard working person. Okay, hard work with perseverance. விடாமுயற்சியோட கடின உழைப்பு. எப்படி? விடாமுயற்சியோட கடின உழைப்புனா என்ன? விடாமுயற்சியோட கடின உழைப்பு. Okay, he persevered in working very hard. அப்படின்னா என்ன? Okay, so he persevered in working very hard. Okay, so the HM சொல்லிட்டாங்க, ரொம்ப சுருக்கமா சொல்லுங்க, இல்லைன்னா பிள்ளைங்க லிசன் பண்ண மாட்டாங்க, அதனால இதோட நிறுத்திடுறேன். சரியா? Okay, இப்ப எப்படி ஹார்ட் ஒர்க், அதாவது கடின உழைப்பு, விடாமுயற்சியான கடின உழைப்போட உழைத்ததுனால now how your principal and the ma'am Mrs. Dhanalakshmi, they have come to a higher level. We will come and share. After that we will make them the kingmaker. Who is called the kingmaker? Why is he called as kingmaker? Tell me. Let me see. Any children, any students? If students do not know, I will ask the teachers. Tell me, why is he called a kingmaker? Tell me. Why is he called a kingmaker?
That's very hard, and he makes the school, and he makes you a friend and shoot.
Okay, give her a clap. That is the simple answer, but that's not the true one. But still, anyhow, I appreciate your father courage to stand up and say. Anybody else new? Students, teachers, anybody new? You are most welcome. Just tell me why Ramanujam was called as a kingmaker. What do you mean by kingmaker? Anybody? He was helping others. No. He was the one who is responsible to elevate Lal Bahadur Shastri and Indira Gandhi, Mrs. Indira Gandhi, to become Prime Minister. He only elevated them to become Prime Ministers, and that's why he is called as Kingmaker. Because they are all raised to a higher level, isn't it? That is what is called as Kingmaker. Let me ask some few quiz questions to the students, and I will hand over the mic to the principal and the ma'am. All of you listen, just answer me. Let me see who will answer. Have you got some gifts, sister? No? Yeah. But anyhow, those who answer, you will get a gift. Okay? A small gift. Monday during assembly, sister will give. Okay. Who was the third chief minister of Madras State? Kamaraja, very good. So we have been back. Okay. Who is the third chief minister of Madras State? Already one question is out, kingmaker, nobody answered. Let me hand over the mic to sisters because I'm unable to proceed. Just I will invite Mr. Jansi to share, and we will make them to Sister Gita Devi, Mr. Hydrogen, elected, smart, and intelligent and knowledgeable person among us. Yes or no? She wants everyone to learn what she has said, and that is a good admiration from her. Which children can attract or she can teach as she is teaching to others. So one of the knowledgeable person among in our midst. So congratulations, sister. So give her once again hand. Hi. Hello. Okay, so I want you to listen to my speech. I want to make you to be smart. Shall we clap? 1, 2, 3, clap. Not that 1, 2, 3, clap. You have to start. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. We'll start. Start. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Sorry. 1, 2, 3. 3. We'll start. Okay. Wait. 1 minute. This clap we will dedicate to Reverend Sister Hilda Mary, her inspiring speech. Shall we start? 1, 2, 3, start. Okay, enough. Already two periods is gone over. See, because why I am here, as sister was telling to express to if I want to achieve anything, are you listening? Which class there? Second standard. Spoken English sir, second standard don't give the mark, okay? Particularly this group. Whether it's A section or B section? Which section?
A section.
This area only. All ABC. So give mark for third ABC, fourth, okay? Second ABC don't give them. So first take your marks carefully. Listen carefully. So our sister was asking me to express. I am also one of the hard workers. I am not so brilliant. Okay, so because of my personal effort and interest, if I want to achieve any one of the responsibilities, for example, there was in Protivakam, our own school, which they were not able to get +1, +2 for so many years. Really, 12 years they were trying to get, but they were not able to get for +1, +2 because of the plan of road, because of the recognitions, everything was in what we say expiries. So I kept that with the help of the parents and political leaders, with my prayer, the community prayer and my prayer, continuous effort. Within 6 months, I could able to get it. So till today, they were not finding difficult for recognition or plan approval or uplifting, bringing of the children for +1, +2. So permanent, already it is established. Okay, so I am also one of the person come in contact. I will not be late for anything, for prayer or coming to school. I will be there before 10 minutes. So I will never be late to any meetings, any gatherings, any celebrations. So I want you also to recover sister a big hand and all of you person. All of you put a big hand, sister. Sister Jancy Joseph. Come on, you get a big hand. Jancy Rani. Alagana Jancy Rani. Yeah, Alagana. Give her a big clap once again. Now I would like to invite Mrs. Gana to share. Leela. Okay. Then I will invite Mrs.
Hi students. When I was a small kid like you, that is smaller than you, I was aiming to become a teacher. That was my aim. I aimed every day and I activated. How means with hard work only. Our family was a middle class family, so we cannot spend more money for the fees of the school. So I have educated myself in government school only. So very well, my teachers, they have cooperated, guided and helped us to improve our language and skills in all the way. Same way, there will be the hard work for everybody. We should keep our effort. If you are working hard, what you can achieve, whatever your goals are there, you can achieve. Your dream will come true. Same way, I studied when I wrote my 10th exam, they planned to stop me if I am getting low marks. That means they never wanted the girl child to educate in those days. We all suffered. After that, then even I struggled, I cried, but I have educated myself and promoted to +1. After that, in +2 also they said, if she is failing or getting low marks, we can stop her. But no, I was working hard. I took my marks, many subjects, and I have educated and finished my +2 also. Same way degree also. So my BSc degree also, they planned to stop. And in those days, very 18 years that they will make that child to get married. They were planning. What was my aim is to become a teacher. If I am not completing my education, how could I become a teacher? So I cried. I struggled. Strike I made at home. I never ate for 1 week. I was going on crying and crying. Anyhow, my father approved to study B.Ed. After that, I completed my B.Ed and MSc. Same way, Hindi classes also. What it is means, my main thing is to convey you every day to day work. Please complete that day itself. Don't postpone it. If you are postponing, it will become a big load for you. Overloaded, we cannot carry, on a cow, we can, not on a cow, on a horse, we can give at least 10 kg. More than that, it could not walk. Same way, our burden also should not be more. What we have to do, we have to plan it over and we have to work hard for achieving our goal. Same way, I am praying and blessing you all to achieve your goal. Math means you have to work every day, work out every day. Don't study like other subjects. I used to tell all the other students to work out math every day. Other subjects you can memorize, but math you cannot memorize. So every day, work out math, whatever you are teaching in class, so that you will not forget. And prepare well for your exams also. Pre-plan it, and definitely you can be in a higher level. So many my children are there still now. They are, whenever we are seeing, I feel very happy to see them because they will come and wish and ask, how are you now? That are all making us to be very happy, So you also try to do. You can do. I am praying for you and best wishes for your future. Thank you. Now, give a big hand. Now I will invite Mr. Babu to crown her as today's Kamaraj. Yes, ma'am. Kindly give the crown. You have the honor to crown others. Give her a big hand. Yeah. See. Can you give hands to them? Not like what I want you know. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Come to first. 1. Once again. While followed, third will be seeing class teachers to come forward. So, hearty congratulations to ABC. Third ABC, they have brought every child on the stage to bring the talent of the skill out. Yes or no?
So again, it's very difficult. Being first day, they were hesitating. I was little bit hesitating to say whether the program is well or good, but it was very clean, very systematic, without delay. Children were very bold enough to speak. It is because of 3 vibrant leaders. So give a big hand to them once again. Thank you. So congratulations, Shilpa. So children, congratulations to all of you. So give them as a token of appreciation. Today we will give chocolate to 3rd ABC students. Okay, children? All the best. That class we can send to them.